In my experience, we don't want to give everyone the permission to delete an opportunity. This isn't necessarily because we don't trust our users in the system, but sometimes just because we wouldn't necessarily want an opportunity to get deleted by accident. So instead of giving everybody this permission, I've come up with a bit of a process that we've implemented with some companies and that you could maybe adopt to circumvent this problem. So it's really simple. We just tell everyone that if you've created an opportunity by accident and it needs to be removed, to just rename the opportunity name delete. So then for the person who has the permissions to delete the opportunity, which would normally be a system admin, they can come in here every once in a while, search delete, and see these opportunities that need to get cleared out. Come in and simply delete these opportunities. Hopefully this is helpful to you. The goal here is finding a balance between giving your users enough permissions so that they can do their jobs efficiently, but also not giving them so many that we leave ourselves open to things getting deleted by accident. If you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel here on YouTube and please connect with me on LinkedIn.